Hi, kindergarten students. So as you see, I have a whiteboard and a marker. You do not need those things for this lesson, but I have it here just to remind us that things often come as a set. Like if you have your whiteboard, but you don't have a marker, there's not much you can do with a whiteboard. You need them together as a set. So in math, that's math actually, sets of things. We are so close to the end of this A Part 1 book that actually you can find the page we need better by going from the back because we're that close to the end of the book. These are just lots of words that tell us about the book, some maths, a little bit. There's the page. See, we're almost at the end. We are finishing it this week. And you already have the next one, so you're all set. So they, like spoon and fork, they kind of go together. They're a match. So lesson 6, pairing 1, 2, 1. What is missing? Complete. Snap word. Did you read it? The set. So here we have a cup and a saucer or a plate. They go together. If the cup is really hot, a teacup, and you put it on some good wood furniture, it might make a mark. So it's kind of nice to have a plate underneath it, or if it spills the water or the hot cocoa. Cup and plate. Cup. Whoops, we're making a mark on the furniture. Let's draw a plate. And you know what? We are actually going to do this together. So get your workbook, get your pencil. I'm using a marker because remember, I have this plastic on top so I can use this book over and over. So actually, let's do it right now. You have this book out, you have it open, pause the video if you're not quite ready, and then I'll be waiting. Okay, we're ready. Then you just see what you're doing. You're just kind of drawing that saucer, that plate. You can put a line there if you want to. Didn't look as good as theirs. I think I need to start further back. Does this cup have a saucer? No, quickly. It's spilling. Let's catch oh, I know. I made mine too big. Theirs is smaller. You might do better than me on this. And that is great. Now the set is a glass bottle with a straw. Did you know that pop or soda used to come in glass bottles? And now some of them do again. Or juice. When I lived in the Philippines, they did this all the time. All the time. So, does this bottle have a straw? Nope. So just draw one. You can just do a line like that if you want. If you want to be fancier, you can draw the two sides of the straw like that. This one already has a straw. This jar, does it need a straw? Yep. So draw a straw. And what about this one? Yep. Let's draw our best straw. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to be proud of it and make it your best. And this one's kind of funny. A cat needs a tail. They just usually have a tail. So does this cat have a tail? Nope. You better make a little tail on this cat. My cat's tail is really long. How about this cat? Does it have a tail? Make a tail. You can make it as long as you want it to be. And make a cat has a tail. I'm going to make this one just laying down on the ground. And I'm going to be like Piggy and Elephant and put lines like it's the back of the tail kind of wiggles back and forth on my cat sometimes when it wants to go pounce on something, it does that. So that's what we did in math today. And I'm going to think that you just did it with me and it's all good and that I don't really need to see it because we did it together. So what I would love to have you do is look around your house and find a set, like I found a set. Whiteboard and marker is a set. Don't do this one because I already did this one. Find 2 other things that just always go together, like these things, and take a picture of it, or you can do a video of it if you want, but you can just take a picture of the 2 things that belong in a set together and send that to me. So this was a little different math. It's kind of fun. Thanks for doing sets with me.